Hello, everyone. I hope everything went well yesterday. Uh, Today, we are going to continue our regional conflicts. We're going to be uh, traveling north into Europe and looking at a man by the name of Slobodan Milosevic and the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which will be a theme for the rest of the course. A couple of housekeeping things. Remember, redos and light work are always accepted. Make sure you submit the assignment and email. Also, Schoology will be open today from 8 to 12 for mini units 12, 13, and 14. Here's our academic integrity expectation. Again, this is an individual assignment. If you have questions, please email. So, what are we going to be looking at today? So we're looking at an event known as the Bosnian Genocide, a man by the name of Slobodan Milosevic, and again, also the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So this first part here, the introduction, is a little background on the state of Yugoslavia, and then we have the next section is on the background and the background of the conflict and the conflict itself. Here's a little section on Milosevic and his rise to power. That's a picture of him. Then we have a little video to watch on the ABC News reporting on the Bosnian War. And on human right abuses here, you're going to click on this link, which will bring you to the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum. And this is specifically looking at section of the website is looking at what was happening in Bosnia and whatnot. We're going to just look at this page. You don't need to go on any others. Right? And whichever article here that you see being violated, so again, a keyword is it's being violated. So, for example, Article 4, no one shall be held in slavery or servitude, slavery, and the slave trade shall be prohibited in all their forms. If you see someone being forced to be a slave in this section, well, then you simply just put an X in the box here, and you'll do that for each of the articles. Then our last section here is on the international intervention and de-escalation of the conflict. Again, you'll click on the link that'll bring you to the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum, and this will be looking again at what is going on in Bosnia, and this section's on the response, so dealing with how the international community, for example, dealt with this conflict. And you'll answer those two questions and be sure to submit it. Again, remember today, mini units 12, 13, and 14 will be open on Schoology. That's all. Take care and have a good day.